welcome back to my channel. It's early. It's about 6:25 a.m. on Saturday, and we had to catch the train this morning on our way to Los Angeles. So we're heading to Beautycon. So we're excited. We almost missed the train. The conductor said it was our lucky day. So anyway, we're here. We're on the train, and the sun is not even coming up yet. It's peeping through, but right now we're heading to, again, Los Angeles, and I'm excited for the trip. I'm excited for today, so let's see what today brings. Keep on watching. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
But every mom wants for the child, like, you know, like having that foundation, or like passing on, like one generation to another, like just having like that access to like knowing that a parent cares.
Right.
Like you told me that ever since I've been on this earth, you know, like I'm always here for you. And I think like you're trying to instill that in me every single day, and now I see why you're thinking about it. Or like he's like, continue.
Come one, come all, just when I need you. You set sail and navigate, but when I need you, you lift me up till we levitate. You're mesmerizing, hypnotizing. My eyes are set on you. Through the fields of young romance.
I love New York South, so
Me too. Okay, me too. I like a good good crispy butter crust. Yep. Don't get me started with an Einstein bagel.
Einstein bagels good too, not gonna lie.
Yeah.
They're known for their bagels.
Yes.
Like I like the
Jalapeno.
spinach, the jalapeno
Yeah.
with the spinach Florentine.
Spinach
That one's
Florentine.
the best.
Yeah, spinach Florentine is excellent.
Put some onion and chive on it for me, and I'll be good.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll be good.
It's a spinach. It's a bagel baked with spinach.
Yes.
And then does it have the cheese inside or no?
With the spinach Florentine? No, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay. It's kind of misty out, so my curls kind of fell, but that's okay. North, heading northbound to Los Angeles.
In the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make somebody turn on.
We made it to Los Angeles station now.
Man, I've been switching lanes all the time on the net. AKA I'm just on the edge hanging man. 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야 이런 모든 감정들이 up and down, yeah. And at times in and out I can say but I wanna know the time to fight to listen now, tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine. Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love it rewind, oh. Love it you right, baby. Love it rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love it rewind, baby. Love it you right, baby. Love it rewind. Tell me what's
Do it.
You want it? That's you.
That's mine. Okay, we finally made it in Beautycon. So we just entered, scanned our code. Let's go.
deeper, deeper. Cause I love it rewind, oh. Love 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야 이런 모든 감정들이 Up and down, yeah And at times in and out I can say But I wanna know the time too far to listen now tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine Feel like I am falling deeper 여기서 alone I feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love it rewind, oh Love it you right, baby Love it rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love it rewind, baby Love it you right, baby Feel like falling deeper, deeper Cause I love it rewind, oh Love it you right, baby Love it rewind, oh Come on and tell me now Love it rewind, baby Love it you right, baby Love it rewind
You always love to hear, tell me about how that started for each of you. Let's start with Janelle.
Okay, so until I was like in my early 20s, and then it was around that time that I decided to go on this quest for all things natural, and fell in love with formulating our products, finding out about different ingredients, different oils, different butters, the benefit it has on hair, and I just decided at that time I wanted to embrace my natural, and that's my journey. How do you guys feel about protein? Because I know like a lot of natural girls or curly girls are afraid of protein. And so we here is protein, and it needs protein just as long as you don't do it over so much, right? I love protein. My hair loves protein.
And your hair is gorgeous. It is amazing. And off of that, I'm curious, especially for the natural hair community, you get so much different information. We shouldn't do. What would you say is another sort of piece of advice that you would say that we can unlearn or update about our routines?
Protein is one. At the end of the day, I think that people shouldn't be afraid of their own hair. They need to embrace it. They need to take the time to learn how to do their hair and learn what their hair like. And just keep practicing and then find what works for you instead of looking out, in the world, seeing what other people are doing and thinking, okay, I can do that, but then you're disappointed when your hair doesn't look like someone else's. So.
Talk to us first about beauty and insight, self-care and balance. How do you do it?
Well, first and foremost, I think what I've learned rather quickly since, becoming a mother, is that there is no such thing as balance. I feel that's something that you really can, it's not practical, meaning to strive for. I found myself trying to do that, and I was like, this just ain't working. Like, it's not practical or real. So what I've learned is really to accept that I'm not going to cross everything, on my to-do list. I've also learned that is okay. You know what I mean? I'm not going to get everything done in a day that I want to. But I think what's also important, and I felt like I had to do for myself, was to prioritize. So I definitely do that. I look within and I say, okay, what is really important? I think we'll, work hard towards that, navigate towards that. And my children, they are really, really important to me. I have 2 kids. I have a son, Creed, who is 12, daughter, Cairo, who's 5. Family, second autoimmune, condition. And once I really became aware of, what I was eating, etc., I saw that my symptoms were being suppressed. I mean, endometriosis, it's not something that's cured, unfortunately, along with a lot of autoimmune things. But that was when it was like a light bulb. passionate about them as well. You know, what they are eating, taking care of themselves with food, supplements, and products. I didn't really have a great relationship with myself when it came to beauty in the beginning. Meaning, especially with, you know, my hair. I didn't see representation when it came to, you know, conversations about beauty. Also, whether it was on television, whether it was in magazines.
What would you say for Black women that are have careers and trying to run their business, like they're trying to come up and coming?
don't jump too fast. Everything is a process. There's levels to it. Find somebody who supports you or roll with it.
Thank you so much, dear. God bless.
Thank you. It was really fun. I had a good time.
It was really amazing. A lot of different products. See BeautyCon this year. So
Yes.
talking about building your content and what it takes to be a content creator, as far as building your content and having the stability and knowing who you are as a creator. And within natural hair, they talked about natural hair, all different aspects of beauty, fashion, beauty, lifestyle.